Okay, so good morning. Thank you for all that you can see this content. Thank you, Juan, by Magnore, stay today with us. Welcome to the employee onboarding and professional training meetup for the tourism sector by Juan of Magnore Company. As the tourism industry continues to evolve, effective onboarding and ongoing professional development are critical for organizations to thrive in a competitive landscape, for sure, for the digitalizations of their businesses. And this is why Juan can explain today what they are working on it. So please, Juan, when you want, thank you so much.
Thank you. First of all, I would like to thank the organization for allowing us to participate and explain what we do. Magnore is a company specialized in digital transformation of training and training strategy. And today we will discuss the significance of the importance of employee onboarding and professional training in the tourism sector. This is crucial for enhancing the employee experience and increase customer satisfaction. We will also delve into how learning can be harnessed for effective training. Okay. Our objectives today include understanding the fundamentals of employee onboarding, explore the role of professional training in the tourism industry, and discover a learning best practice. Employee onboarding refers to the process of integrating a new employees into an organization. And it encompasses orientation, training, and socialization. Why onboarding matters? Why we need to ask ourselves about these questions? Onboarding is critical to reduce employees turnover, to boost employee engagement and satisfaction, and to enhance job performance and customer services. Let's imagine a real case. We have a hotel, the Paradise Hotel, and we are going to hire a new receptionist, Joseph. This is our real case that we want to talk about it on all this presentation. What are the key elements of successful onboarding of Joseph or new receptionist? We need to perform 4 key principles. The first one, pre-boarding preparation. The second, orientation and training. The third, socialization and mentoring. And the fourth, ongoing support and feedback. If we talk about the first one, pre-boarding preparation, we are talking about involves communication, expectation, and logistics, preparing workstation and resource for Joseph, and planning training sessions and orientation. If we talk of the second, orientation and training, we need to introduce the company culture and values. We need to provide to Joseph a specific training. Joseph is a new receptionist, and we want Joseph to complete a specific course related to his job. And we want to cover the policies and procedures, what we know as legal compliance. And we must ensure that Joseph completes the initial training in the shortest possible time and with guarantees. Socialization and mentoring. This is very important because we need to assign a mentor or buddy in our organization. When you arrive at a new organization, you are very lost. Having a reference contact or a specific space to ask questions is indispensable. Encourage team building activities. If you have an online training platform, we have a communication tool and we can create activities to promote these meeting spaces. And this will allow us to facilitate networking opportunities. If we talk about, again, of our real case of Joseph in the Hotel Paradise, he's the new receptionist, and we want to promote the company culture and the possibilities to create team building activities. And the fourth, as we told before, ongoing support and feedback is very important. We need to provide to the user regular tickets and progress evaluations, address questions and concerns promptly, and provide opportunities for continuous learning. When we talk about continuous learning, we talk about the possibility to offer the user new courses related with the soft skills available in the market, like the solution of conflicts, etc. And when we talk about professional training in tourism, as we can see, is all about enhancing skills and knowledge, meeting industry standards and certifications, and adapting to trends and new technologies. What are the benefits of learning? Benefits has several benefits. Flexible and convenient. It's a cost-effective, or solution is very cost-effective. It's consistent and customizable content, or let us to create consistent and customizable content for our institution, and let us to have a trackable progress and results. If we try to do this with the paper or with other utilities, it's very complicated. And if we have a learning platform, this is a reality, and we can accomplish. What are the different learning formats we can find when we have a learning platform? We can have self-paced courses. We can talk about webinar and live sessions. We can have interactive simulations and video content and tutorials. The last one is very important because today we must to train our employees in the use of IT tools in addition to specific characteristics of their jobs. Also, we need to talk about the online and the mixed courses. We use for our customers the platform as a support to the physical courses. Download and consultation material, surveys, evaluation, support of human resource surveys, diplomas, and participation follow-up. They are very flexible spaces that we can integrate with many corporate activities, improving follow-up and encouraging teamwork. What are the best practices for learning design? The first one, set clear learning objectives of the institution. Use multimedia and interactive elements to engage the users. Incorporate real-life scenarios. If it's possible, as we can, the opportunity, this is a very important tool to improve the knowledge of our new employees. And provide feedback and assessment. If you make the formation to the new employees and you don't give feedback to them, this is a big mistake. What need to do to implementing tourist learning in tourism? We need to align with the training, with the business objectives. We need to offer a blend of learning methods. We need to establish performance benchmarks. And with this performance benchmarks, we need to create a training strategy and a career program. We have measuring training effectiveness. How? With assess knowledge retention, we can evaluate on job performance, and we can track customer satisfaction scores. In the continuous learning and development, we need to encourage ongoing professional learning. We need to offer training and certifications, and we need to promote a culture of learning in our institution. The challenge and the solutions. We have a lot of challenge. Overcoming resistance to change, ensuring the accessibility and inclusivity, and maintaining motivation and engagement. This is not easy, but we are experts in these areas. In conclusion, we need to offer effective onboarding and professional training that are crucial in the tourism sectors. E-learning provides a flexible and cost-effective solution, and emphasize continuous learning and development to maximize success. In the real case we are talking about, we have the Hotel Paradise, we have Joseph, the new receptionist, And imagine if we create 5 courses, the first one, welcome aboard, with the culture of the company, risk prevention and workplace harassment and equality plan to accomplish with the legal compliance of the industry. Receptionist in Hotel Paradise. This is a specific job course for this user. And another skill important to nowadays is the cybersecurity. With the 5 courses, when the user completes, we can send this information automatically to the different departments that are involved in the process of the company. The occupational risk prevention, human resources, and the hotel management will know that the users that are the new employees that they are incorporating to the company are accomplishing successfully with the policies they are defined. Make it better with our LMS solution. Magnore can provide a Moodle-based solution. It's open source. We offer an application service provider or software as a service solution, but the solution, the final solution, could be in your installations on-premise or in your servers at your choice. Our principal service is the possibility to create a virtual campuses. We install parametrize and customize your LMS platforms. We offer custom courses. If you have the content and you have experts, we digitize and adapt your training offer to make it the best. We can also support for events to create your brand, manage your registration and payments, and provide platform to make them unique. And consulting with our experts in technological and pedagogical aspects. You will always be accompanied. This is very important because when you have a LMS or you have any software, if someone don't explain you the real possibilities that they have, it's impossible to obtain the maximum benefits. With the virtual campus, we serve a parameterized to your needs. We make with the corporate image and values, and we're accompanying the companies to guarantee the success. When we make a custom course, we offer pedagogical and technical support to accomplish with the objectives we have marked. We offer the best design and usability using the most innovative techniques that are available in the learning platforms. And a sustainable system because we make the content inside the platform and you can edit directly without the needs to use another software. For the events, we create a landing page and a super classroom, a participant registration system, and a ticket sales if it needed. And for the consulting, we have experts in technological and pedagogical concepts. We prepare you to create a learning strategy and the first guidance needed. We know that you don't have unlimited resources, and we have this is that at a very important point to accomplish the strategy defined with us. Extras. If you want, it's possible to make a very user experience centered platform with budgets, custom reports, and customization. With budgets, you have the possibility to improve the motivation, make the recognition of achievements of the different courses and learning strategy, and more important, the talent identification inside your organization. With the custom repos, we can provide a customized performance evaluation, data-driven for decision-making. It's very important to have the data and to interpret this data, and compliance and accountability. And finally, for customization, we offer the possibility to make a customizable design according to your needs, to create an intuitive interface, allowing that Moodle is an open source software, and to create attractive elements to engage the students or participants or employees to continue it and finishing the courses. Make it better with our LMS solution. Let it happen. Thank you for your time.
Great. So thank you, Juan. I think it's really interesting and your job is amazing. I know that Magnore is one of the companies from the cluster Catalonia South, which is one of the best choices for learning solutions. So I mean, it's really interesting. I hope that the resetting community and also other companies from other European projects communities, you can contact him to the email or the mobile or telephone that he is sharing at this moment, and also by LinkedIn, which he is also really active. And thank you so much. I will see you again in the next contribution. Thank you, Juan.
Thank you very much.